All right, so this is the 2015 Jeep Compass. That's the Cherokee. We're gonna do the video about that next time, but first let's check this out. So I just got this from the shop. I put it here because I don't want a lot of cars in my front yard. The tires were good. So the primary damage was this side. We had to replace the door. It's dirty because my sprinklers are working. And that's Maxie. He just got a haircut. This is the beautiful Pee-Pee, Peter Pan. Hi Peter. Hi Maxie. So these two are my little guard dogs. So the primary damage was right here. The the suspension was damaged, the quarter panel was damaged, and the door was damaged. The door we could have been, but none of these pillars were damaged. You want to check it out? So we didn't have to do anything for here, but this door could be salvaged, but you know, have to do it right. So I bought a door. I went to the local LKQ and got a door for like, I don't know how much, 50-60 bucks or something. So we just replaced the door. Good tires, and the rear bumper can be salvaged. Like I said, put a new one so the new owner won't have any issues in the future. So there's a good bumper. Quarter panel was fixed and the door was fixed. I just want to do a quick video because I'm trying to do one video for once a week, so it's going to be my next video. I just got that. I'll do more about that. We have a small damage right here. Going to do PDR. All right, so it is 4x4. Hey Peter, what you doing, Peter? I had this guy for like how long, buddy? Maybe 5 years. Now he's 7. When I got him, it's like 2 years. So it has the towing package, I guess. Let's see if it's unlocked. I mean, I'm really impressed with these cars. They're small, yet they have plenty of spaces, and it comes with that dog. Hey Max. I'll do a full depth review one when we're done with it. So I'm gonna make the wheels black, gonna put a decal, make it a little bit cooler. So that's the interior. See, I don't know why it does. Normally, like, all the steering wheels get white color. I don't know why. Hey, come on. You're gonna die there if you keep on staying there. Go. So it's really dirty, but need to clean it up really good. So this is the 2015 Compass. I really love about this Compass is the front end. I'm not a big fan of the side. They should have done something to the sides, you know. It's kind of sloppy or whatever, but if it has a like really, I don't know, different thing like these Jeeps, I think the newer ones comes like that. If they did the exact same thing to this, it will be way better. So this is it, guys. I know I should have done a video with the damage, but like you can see, there's the missing signal lamp, so I need to fix that. So I'll do another video after I finish everything on this, so you guys can clearly see what kind of a Jeep is this, the final product. So like you guys saw previously, that's my compass, the red one. And I was able to track down, I thought I don't had that pictures because sometimes the options I take them down. But I was able to track down like 3 or 4 good pictures of the accident. So after this clip, end of this clip, I will post those pictures. And the next one I will do the finished, the whole, with the decals and everything like I mentioned earlier. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it, subscribe and let me know what you guys opinions and just comment below and everything. And behind me is my 2015 Challenger, and I'll do another video on that later when I don't have any project going on. But anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one.